Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Tech Ahmer YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is marine insurance. In the previous video we discussed about what is property insurance. In this video we discuss about what is marine insurance and how does it work. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is marine insurance. When you search what is marine insurance, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website, marine insurance, meaning types, benefit and coverage. When you click this website, the page will be opened of what is marine insurance and its type. First of all, we discuss what is marine insurance. Marine insurance refers to a contract of immediately, and it is an assurance that the goods dispatched from of the country or region, and it is the land of destination and insured. Marine insurance is a cover of losses, damage or a ship codes, terminals and include any other means of the transport by which is good of transformation and acquired of your between points and origin that are final destination. The term organized and it is the parent begins to the ship good via sea. Despite of the name of implies, marine insurance applies to all the mode of transportation of goods. For instance, which goods for the ship and the air. The insurance is now as the contract of the marine coverage and the insurance. Importance of the marine insurance. Marine insurance is required in many import-export trade proceedings, admitting and the terms of both parties are liable for the payments of goods under insurance. However, the subject of matter of marine insurance goes beyond contractual obligations and there are several valid arguments necessary for buying it before dispatching. For the expert course, good of the transit needs is insured by one of three parties: the following agent, the explorer and the importer. Also, it can be taken of anyone involved in the transit for goods. What is a marine insurance and where to get a marine insurance? The process to purchase marine insurance in India is easy. The country of the geographical position allows too many banks of the financial institutions to provide marine insurance. Marine Insurance Act 1963. The Marine Insurance Act in India come into existence of 1963 as per section 34 and Act. In the time of term, marine insurance is used expert or even extend for the insuring of goods against losses and damage. The insurer will have to take a risk to bear and charges. The insurer will consider to the certainly goods of cases, misfortune, sunshine and the during marine venture. Principle of the marine insurance. Principle of the good faith parties demanded absolute the trust of parts of both the insurer and the grantees. Principle of the proximate cases. The proximate cases is not adjacent at the time. Also, it is insufficient, nevertheless, and it is the definitive of earthquake and cases of loss. Principal is insured able interested any object present and it is a marine risk of the assured coverage and the insurance for goods. Both should have a legal relevant. Also, a series is devotion and called income tax and respectfully assigned of the insurance of goods and each party. Principle of immediately. The insurance extent of the parties will only for the applicable up to for the losses. The parties cannot buy insurance to gain profit. If you have to do, they want to get more than the actual losses. Principle of contributions. Sometimes the risk of coverage for goods and have more than insurer. In the such cases, the amount of have to fairly distributed amongst of insurance. Features of the marine insurance: acceptance of offer, coverage, payment of premium, insured able interest, contract of immediately, claiming process and flexibility. How marine insurance work? Marine insurance best of transfer and liability for goods from of the parties and intermediate involved in an insurance company that are legal liability for the intermediate handling for the goods and limit begin to with it. The exporter and instant of the being sole responsibility for a goods and by the insurance policy to the maritime insurance coverage for the explored good against for the possible losses and damages. How to calculate marine insurance premiums? Shipped value and the cost of freight plus 10% of the cost total. Multiply the amount of with quoted premium is equal to amount payable as premium. Type of marine insurance. Flight insurance, liability insurance, health insurance, and marine cargo insurance.